Hey Avon, you may or may not have heard that coming April 3rd, there will be some changes to the online sign-up process. I want to educate you on those differences so that you can use it in your favor to really push to get in some appointments here before that new kit launches. So I'm going to share my screen with you here. And first, I'm going to take you through what is available right now. So right now, someone can sign up at either $25, $50, or $100. This is an article on my blog, Selling Beauty Online, if you need to reference it. So it's always good to know that something is a higher value than what you're paying for it. So maybe you want to talk about how it's their last opportunity to get this amazing premium starter kit at only $100 with a value of over $400. So I'm really going to stress that. People love this black bag, and you can't get it unless you sign up and get that premium starter kit. So that's one way that we can spin this. The other way is that the new cost to sign up starting April 3rd is going to be $30. So that's a price increase, right? Right now, they can sign up for $25. They get some helpful starter tools. They get online access to our training. They get their own website. So it's really a bargain to only be paying $25 to get all that. So you can definitely use that to attract people as well. So let me just go over this slide to help you be more prepared to answer questions about this new starter kit. As a recruiter myself, I'm actually not mentioning any details about the new starter kit other than it's coming April 3rd and it is going to be an increase in cost. So I'm more using the information that I have right now to get them to purchase one of the 3 starter kits that is available. So beginning April 3rd, the kits are going to be $30. There's going to be 3 different product bundle options for them to choose from, which I'm really excited about. It's going to include 2 brochures, one from the campaign that they're going to start in and one from the following campaign. This is not commissionable as a leader. So you're not going to get paid commission on the starter kit for the new team member. And Kickstart, our onboarding program, is staying in place, as well as the daily care collection. So Kickstart is those first 7 campaigns where they can earn 40% based on progressive sales goals. The daily care collection is that valuable bundle of Skin So Soft and moisture therapy for only $19.99 that only new representatives can purchase for their customers. So that is it. You may want to do a blog about it. You want to share on social media about it, do a video, send text, go through and make calls. I mean, really take advantage of this time before the new kit starts to really get on as many team members to start with you as possible. So here is what the sign up page looks like. You can always get there from your own website. So up here, become a representative. So you could come here and right click over this and say copy link address so that you have that. And you can see right here that it has pulled me as the mentor, so it is working correctly. Okay, so we always want to double check our technology. Anywhere you go, technology can misfunction. So as a leader, it's our job to do the double checking. You can also send people to sellavon.com, which also brings up this page, but it doesn't have a mentor attached to it yet. So then your new team member could search by your name or enter your referral code, which is that little code there that you chose for your Avon website. So I always say to people, go to www.sellavon.com and use reference code ESIGRIN. And you may want to spell it out if you have a difficult last name, and just to make sure that they type it in correctly. A lot of people like to call us Seagreen or Seagrums. So never hurts to be overly cautious, okay, guys? So get out there and do your best to get as many team members by April 2nd as you can. Maybe you want to do a countdown. Only 5 days left to sign up for Avon for only $25. Okay, so hopefully this gave you some food for thought, and you are gonna go on a recruiting craze for the next 2 weeks. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.